Hello and welcome back everyone, Joe here, and today I'm here to introduce my newest doll, which is actually my first Dollfie Dream. It's a mini Dollfie Dream that I actually commissioned an artist by the name of Sheena's Workshop to make a custom face-up inspired by Shaoran from Sakura Card Captor. And it's my first boy doll and my first mini Dollfie Dream, which I have been super ecstatic to get. I'll link the artist's Etsy down below and kind of like speak about the whole process. All I really needed to do was send in a few screenshots of the character that I wanted to get inspiration from for them. Then they came back with like a sketch, and after the sketch I had to confirm how it looked, and after I liked how it looked, there was a part where I edited a bit myself, drew on the face up a bit, and I really wanted white eyebrows, so I went ahead and added that. They did everything perfectly. They gave everything exactly how I requested it and how I hoped it would look. So 10 out of 10 for Sheena's Workshop. I'm amazed, honestly, and I will be commissioning them again. Now on screen you can see me unboxing the next box, which is actually his body. The body was directly ordered from Volks, and I did also add a few eyes and a few hands. Now, if you're wondering how I got a boy body, I didn't. I am using the default MDD body. However, since the default bust is so small, it won't really be noticeable when the doll is wearing its boy clothes, since they're usually super loose and loose fitting. They don't really show the curves or anything like that. So until I'm able to get a replacement bust or actually purchase the boy doll that I believe was announced recently by Volks, a boy MDD, until that comes out, I probably will keep holding on to this body. I will say, while attaching the eyes and putting everything in, I did scratch a part of the eyelid. I was so sad when it happened, but honestly, like, the wig covers most of it, and it doesn't, from a distance you don't even see it. Sheena's was actually amazing. I reached out to them to ask them how I could possibly smooth it over with like a chemical or something, but they said that the best option would be to just go over it with paint. They were amazing. They offered to fix it for free. All I had to do was pay the shipping, but since it's so expensive, I decided to just deal with it and kind of just roll with the punches. So for the extras, all I really got were 4 hands and 2 pairs of eyes, 1 red and 1 brown. The red ones are really cute. However, I did not put those in. I ended up using the brown ones just to stay true to the character I was going for and to really see how it would look with the wig I had. I will say that putting in the eyes was the toughest part, especially like I'm so used to changing eyes on smart dolls, where I usually leave some of the blue tack in there, so it's already very well stuck on there, and the tack did not want to stick onto the eyes. Onto the head with the eyes on it, so it did take me a while to really get in there, and I feel like that's probably one of the reasons why I ended up scratching the eyes, since I was having such a hard time. So I probably got in there really tough and somehow scratched it with my finger. So if you do this, do be very careful. And this is how he looks with the eyes on. I was so happy once it happened, but right here is when I realized that I ended up scratching the eyes, which is why my hand went like but luckily I ended up getting over it. So since I didn't have an MDD prior to this boy, I didn't have any clothing ready for him, but I luckily did have these sample shorts made from like an elastic waistband, nothing too complicated or crazy, that magically fit him, and I am using these as like his boxers, so he's not like naked. But now with the boxers on, I did kind of want to make him something, so I went ahead and drafted a quick hoodie pattern, and I made him some quick shorts to match the hoodie. So while I draft and cut away on cam, I do want to let you guys know that I will be starting a mini Dollfie Dream series for sewing and patterns and all that good stuff, just like my smart dolls. But I do ask that you guys give me some time and a little bit of your patience, since it will take me a while to roll out all the videos and do everything how I like it, up to par with like my smart doll series and all of that. I really hope you guys are looking forward to that as much as I am. So that's my quick little sneak peek for what's to come to the channel, and I am super excited to show you guys. And here he is with his little hoodie and his shorts on, looking super adorable and cute, and in his little corner of the room where he looks amazing next to my Funko Pops. I would love to know what Dollfie Dreams you have, if you have an MDD or your own boy mini Dollfie Dream. let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys have, to get a general idea of what designs I'd like to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Take care.